These diamond necklaces are so beautiful. They're shining so bright, brighter than my future also. And my bank balance says, no, no, not this time. It is 19 gram. This is also almost 19.5 gram. But this is longer. This is a party wear necklace with beautiful flowers. Looks so gorgeous. 2 lakh 18,000. Oh, it's very beautiful. Only diamond stones. 26 gram. Oh, do you have a stone, sir? Stone ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು rose gold. This is their Mehfil collection with rose gold in it. There's a lot of chaos, confusion, and surprise in the video. So do watch it till the end. Hello everyone and welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. This is Lakshmi Nandan Kamath and here we are going to Jos Alucas for jewelry shopping. This is going to be a jewelry shopping vlog. They have that monthly scheme thing, right? Every month you can pay 5,000, 10,000, any amount, and then you can buy ornaments out of it. So we had paid about 5,000, 10,000, I think, per month, and now there's some money accumulated there. And the thing with Jos Alucas is they won't give your money back, in the sense you have to buy music. Yeah, the thing with Jos Alucas is they don't give your money back just like that, and they won't give gold coin. You have to buy ornaments only. We started the scheme thing. The gold price was just 7,000 rupees, and today, as of January 2nd, 2026, the gold price is 12,500 rupees per gram of 22 karat gold. Oh my god. But then the occasion to buy is my baby Gayatri's first year birthday, and then we had anyways planned, so that's why we are. Oh, she's very excited. So we're going there. We'll see what we can buy. Gas prices skyrocketed. And we reached Jos Alucas store in Udupi and said I wanted to look into gold necklace worth 24 grams, that is between 20 grams to 24 grams, about 3 pounds of gold. And this is the neck collection that they showed me. In stores like Jos Alucas, they put a lot of making charges, so you better ask them the total cost. You just can't multiply the current gold price multiplied by the grams of gold. 22.8 gram.
Around nearly 3 pound.
15 gram.
15, 2 pound.
Okay.
ಇದು 2.5 pound. Around 19 grams.
ಇದು 19.
20 grams. 2.5 pound.
2.5 pound.
ಇದು 22.5.
Oh, 22.5. So I was looking at these necklaces and I was liking them, but I wanted something at least to be 20 grams of gold, otherwise it'll look very fragile. Now I had to do a lot of calculation that how much cost it would be, and by then they showed me another lightweight necklace. This is very lightweight. Idu?
18 grams.
18 grams. I did not want to choose this lightweighted necklace. It was very beautiful though, but I wanted something heavy and grand for this function. This will cost about 39,000. Oh, ulta padta. Okay. This will cost about 3,39,000. They told me that the lightweight necklace which they are showing now, that itself is coming up to 3,05,000. So the gold price is totally crazy. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್?
22,800. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
ಓಹೋ, 22,800 ಗ್ರಾಮ್.
3,76,000.
It's almost 23 grams of gold coming up to 3,76,000. And now it's trial time. I like this a lot, where you can try and see and look and feel how it looks on you. Earlier, when I used to visit gold shops and the shopkeepers would give me jewelry to try, I was very hesitant thinking, what if they judge me if I don't buy it? But are you also the same? Let me know in the comments. But these days, I think judge karne do yaar, kya ho jayega. So yeah, this is how this necklace is looking on me. I was checking the length, how long does it come, because I didn't want it to be a very small choker kind of a necklace also. And now this is again another scary part while I'm removing the necklace is what if I break it? I am shit scared of it.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು
ಇದಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೀವಿ ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದು ಡಿಸೈನ್
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ.
okay okay these two I am liking, but this pattern almost looks similar. This one is 20 gram and this one is 19 gram, almost similar. However, this pendant looks rich. This one I am not sure. This one is least, I think 15 grams. No, this is the smallest one, 15 gram. Gold price has been highly unpredictable in the last 1 year. When we went to buy gold bangles for my Simanta, and when we bought it from Jose Alucas last year, it was gold price was around 7,500 per gram, 22 karat gold. And now when we went to buy this jewelry, it was around 12,500. Oh, this is 15 grams. This is shorter one. It ends here. But if you see this one, that was 15 gram. This is 20 gram. 5 grams more, and this comes longer. Yeah, so gold price increased again from January till as of today, February end. It went up to 16,000 for 1 gram of 22 karat gold. It's about 15,500 today, and it's highly, highly unpredictable. Gold is slowly becoming unreachable for us middle class people, which is a sad reality. 5 gram ही थी दी के तो पड़ा. So, okay, what I'm trying to do here is I was wearing two necklaces parallelly and trying to see the length. I wanted a necklace which is heavy also and which is long also. Okay, photo. This is what I'm liking. This is about 20 gram. But then this is very rich though, but it's heavy. It's 22 grams. And this is 19 gram. Now tell me which is better, do you think? I am asking you guys to tell me which out of these three necklaces is good, but watch the video till the end for the surprise to see which one did I actually buy. The only feeling I get in jewelry shops is budget nahi hai. Do you also relate? Let me know in the comments. While I was deciding between those necklaces, they showed me this beautiful fashion jewelry. It goes with beautiful dresses. I really liked it, but at the moment I was not looking to buy this. I couldn't believe it when they told me that this fashion jewelry had 19 grams of gold. It doesn't look like that. In my community, that is GSB Konkani community, jewelry means gold heavy jewelry. Traditional GSB jewelry. Otherwise, they say, ये कैसा artificial गाल नहीं लगा है.
महफिल
Oh, Mahfil collection, it seems. Oh, 26 gram. Oh, did you have a stone, sir?
ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ರೋಸ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್.
Oh, rose gold. And then they showed me this Jose Alucas Mahfil collection. This was 26 gram of gold and that beautiful pink stones I thought, but no, it was rose gold. It seems look beautiful. Also special mention to my husband Guruji for looking after the baby and also shooting my vlog. Oh, I must have short it was bada.
ಓ ಅಂಕಳೇ
The necklace was thick and heavy, but it was short. I don't know. Today I was looking for some little length necklaces, I think. And here comes their beautiful diamond collection. These were the starting prices, the starting range diamond necklaces. These were party wears, which he showed me.
ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ವೇರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು.
Okay, okay. Is it to sell?
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ವೇಟ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 8 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್. Around 1,86,000.
Yeah, so the cost of this necklace would be diamond necklace would be 1,86,000. They say diamonds are girls' best friend, but that day my bank balance told Ninnadalla mare best friend. Buy muchkondu kutko.
13,000 price.
2,18,000. Oh, it's very beautiful. Only diamond stones. अगले जन्म में अगर अंबानी की लड़की बन के पैदा हुई तो मैं ये जरूर खरीदूंगी, ऐसा सोच के मैंने फिर से कंटिन्यू किया अपनी गोल्ड नेकलेस खरीदने का सफर. Tell me in the comments which necklace are you liking, the ones which I tried. Did you like the diamond necklace? Let me know. What is happening to gold prices? The countries are on war and the gold prices are just flying like missiles. That's me trying both the necklaces in parallel and seeing which one is longer, which one looks good. Let me know in the comments out of these two which of them did you like? And hey, if you're watching the video without hitting the like button, don't do that. Please hit that like button. So that is 19 gram. This is also almost 19.5 gram. But this is longer. I don't know what I'm seeing. You can make a necklace longer by, adding more chains to it. This is 22 grams. This is heavy. This pendant is very heavy. This is 22 grams. And this one is 19 grams. This pendant is heavier. This neck chain is same.
2,000 years later.
I think I'll go with this. I think this is what I'm liking and this is what I finally decided. Wait. If you think you got confused by looking at these necklaces and you're thinking ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು ಮಾರೆ, everything looks the same. Yes, totally agree. I also felt the same. After one point, kannu musk aglikaitu mare. So my eyes were blurry and everything was looking alike. I was like, what is the difference between all of these, bro? And the more time I spent with them, I realized that one of the pendants was hollow and another one was filled. Anis. Anis again helped us a lot. He was there in the last video. He helped us a lot back then. Now also is helping us a lot. Thank you, sir. He said that there is plate cutting in this. This looks different. See, you can see the gold is shining in it. Here there is plate cutting. Here this one it's hollow. Here you see. Cost is coming up to 3,24,000 and we're asking for discount. And he's saying 3,24,000, they can come up to 3 lakh. 19.62, 20 grams it is. In that day's gold price was 12,485. And then I started checking out more necklaces, their collection, while Guruji was doing the bargaining and all of that. This is the fastest gold I have bought, I think, because we are running late. Fastest म्हणून सांगू नये 2-3 घंटे काढला की म्हण या अंगडीन थांबे. And presenting to you beautiful gold jewelry collection I saw in Jos Alucas. This ruby necklaces are so beautiful. Oh my god, they look so heavenly and beautiful designs also. They always have very good collection. These look very nice. That Kamar Patti is also very beautiful. And another thing I like about this Jos Aluka shop is there is always something in your budget. You'll find necklaces always in your price range. These temple jewelry ones are also very beautiful. Oh my god, these diamond necklaces, they looked so royal. This one is so beautiful. This is a statement necklace. Wow. Looks so gorgeous. I kept looking at this for like full 5 minutes, just staring at it. And then Guruji asked, why are we not buying diamond necklace? Why gold necklace? And I too had no idea. I have no answer for it. Growing up in my GSB Konkani community, always gold was considered as for necklaces. So maybe that's my upbringing and mindset, I guess. And we finally reached home and presenting to you after all the struggle and confusion. This is the necklace which I finally ended up buying. I'll tell you all the price details in a while. In my house, we first put the necklace to God's idol. So Mahalasa Narayani Devi's idol, we put this necklace first and then we do a puja and after that we wear it. We bought the necklace and that cost, it's about 19.5 grams. That is almost 20 grams and it costed us almost 2,90,000. One mistake I made while buying was this was the dress which I wore and went. to buy a necklace. So this is a bad idea because the collared neck will not give you an idea of how the necklace looks. I think this is a very basic knowledge which I made a mistake. Wear good round, don't wear t-shirts also. Go wear long round neck or boat neck dresses so that you get a very nice idea of how the necklace will look like on you. Don't make a mistake like me. How the necklace is looking with the wide neck t-shirt costed about 2,90,000 for the almost 20-gram necklace, and we had 1,30,000 in the scheme, so we had to pay 1,60,000 extra. Wanted to buy it for my daughter's birthday, and we were stuck with that scheme of Joss Alucas. So all in all, it was good experience buying there. They have great collection of jewelry too. How did you like this necklace? These are some close-up shots of the necklace. And if you are watching the video without subscribing, please do subscribe. Let's target to reach 10,000 subscribers by the year end of 2026. Yeah, let's go. Please do support your girl Lakshmi Kamath. While filming this video, the person I missed the most was my father, Nandan Kamath. I missed him a lot. Last time when we shopped for gold bangles, if you have watched that video, I'll leave a link in the I button if you haven't watched that video in Joe Saluka's jewelry shopping vlog to buy gold bangles. My father was around. I missed my father a lot. It's been 5 months, 6 months now that he is no longer with us. I still can't believe that he is no more. I still feel some ease. I still can't digest the fact that he's no more. This time when I walked into Joe Saluka's shop, I got all flashbacks of that day when we all went together. It My heart was very heavy. I don't want to believe that my father is not with us. So I always think he's in Udupi roaming around in near Krishna. That's my coping mechanism, but sometimes reality hits very hard. Uh, I miss you, Anu. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If yes, please hit that like button. If you're new, please subscribe and please hype the video. Let me know how did you like this necklace, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.